ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഭാഷ എളുപ്പത്തിൽ സംസാരിക്കുവാനുള്ള കുറുക്കുവിദ്യകളുമായി ലേഡീസ് അവറിൽ ഇനി സ്പീക്കിംഗ് മന്ത്ര.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, you just read that practice. Pranayama.
Pranayama, meditation, one training daily.
Okay, so we have to do pranayama daily. We are doing no? Okay. The next practice.
Informal talk between two trainees.
Okay.
My talk to myself, saying mind with closed eyes. How I spent yesterday.
Okay, we will do that now. Okay, you just keep your book down. So you relax. You just be relaxed mode. So you just close your eyes. So you are going to think about yesterday. How did you spend yesterday? So you are going to recollect all those things. So simply you keep a smiling face. So you just go through everything that you did yesterday. At what time you woke up? 5:30, 5 or 6. You start from there. After that you did your daily routines. You had breakfast. What was there for breakfast? Keep a beautiful smile on your face. At what time your training session started, or you were in school or college, like that. Think about all those things. After that, what were you doing for the time being? Like evening, you were playing tennis, shuttle or cricket, like that. You were spending your time like that, or you were reading any books or like that. You were listening music. So next, think about your supper. In between that, you might be doing any other things. Think about all those things in a proper order. Then what did you do after having supper? You just went to bed, or you were doing any other things like listening music or like that? So you are enjoying each and every moment. You enjoyed yesterday like anything in your life. Accept everything positively. Keep a smiling face. Slowly open your eyes. So, how are you feeling? Okay, you really went to that yesterday, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what are the benefits of doing this kind of activities, like memorizing? Actually, one thing is there, we can improve our memory power.
Yeah.
It's a small thing only. Actually, we are just recollecting each and everything that we have done already. So doing that also we can improve our, there is a lot of improvement in us by doing this type of activities. Okay, so we can go to the next practice. So take your book. Yeah, you read this.
Say about daily routine in the
Yeah, it is already over, we have done.
Yeah. My village, city, paveway practice. A telling about his village, city is location, scenery, major institution there, any story behind the name, people there, their character, majority job, life there is there in detail and answer questions of B. Then B does the same thing.
Okay, we'll do that. Okay, this is about my village or my city. Okay, you people can do that. Okay, no need of any demonstration, no? Actually, you can simply talk about your village or city where you are living. Any history is there, like something will be there behind a name. Like,
City name.
yeah, some history may be there. Oh, no need of explaining everything, you can tell like that. Or otherwise any major institutions there, any schools, colleges, like something is there or not. After that, people there, about character, good only, everything is good only about our village. So majority is job, life, how are you feeling about your village, what's your feeling, like that. So you people can do.
That's true.
Both of you are staying in village only or city? Village, okay, okay. You can ask questions or.
Thanks, Sean. Tell about your village. I'm staying in Maur. Name of this Maur. It's very famous. The factory in Goldie
Okay, okay, nice.
Factory, and the nearest to my house.
Okay,
And, now is it shut down?
okay, okay.
Is the famous factory, and the people are very good. And there are so many hospital and quarters, and means about Kerala, out of Kerala state, in the state.
Okay, okay.
People are staying
Okay,
in
okay.
quarters, that quarters.
Nice.
Also, Maur.
Is there any story behind your that name Maur? You know anything?
Yeah, but
You don't know. Okay, okay, it's fine only. You heard about some stories, like, yeah, it may be there. Okay, then anything about your village?
my village, I'm staying in Murikel. There is a very good people and a very good character. There is a small town in it.
Okay.
And there are full of pupils on all times. At night also there was a full pupils, and there is full free of week. And,
It's a crowded area or like? Yeah,
it's
okay, okay.
every time it's a crowded
Okay, okay.
area.
Then what about development for the past 5 or 6 years? Is there any change? Have you noticed any?
Yes,
Like
new
it is
shops
becoming
are
like
coming there.
town or like, yeah, it is there.
And one complex is there.
Okay,
It's
okay.
full of shops and all.
Okay, okay.
And no, it's already is like that, and some clinics are coming there.
Okay, okay.
And so many employees are there.
Okay, okay. Okay, very nice. Well done. Well done. So in between appreciate. Okay. So you have to do this, there are follow practices. So you have to do follow practices daily. Then only you can improve yourselves. Okay. So when you are in home, you just do these follow practices. It is there after each and every hour. Okay.
ലേഡീസ് അവറിൻ്റെ ഇന്നത്തെ എപ്പിസോഡ് ഇവിടെ പൂർണ്ണമാകുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്ന കൂടുതൽ സെഗ്മെൻറ്റുകളുമായി വീണ്ടും അടുത്ത ലേഡീസ് അവറിൽ കാണാം.